Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a codepen account on your mobile phone using your Android phone. So let's go straight to it. We're on Google right now, so we click on Google, click on the search box. Yes, opened up. So now we type in codepen. Okay, so we see it already coming out underneath, so let's click on it. Okay, so you can see right here we're in codepen. We can sign up for free. So let's go right there and do that. So we can click sign up here or underneath sign up for free. So let's click the one on top, the green one, sign up. Okay, so here we are. So we can sign up with our Twitter account or sign up with a GitHub account. If you don't know how to create a GitHub account, I have a link in my description showing you how to create a GitHub account. Very simple and easy. And you can also sign up with a Facebook account or an email account. So I'm going to sign up using an email account. Though it's faster using the other three. So just click on it. To sign up with an email account, we have your name. You put in your name. So let's put in name, then you put in choose a username. This is the same thing. Then put in your email account and your password, then click submit. So I'm just gonna do all that and see you on the next page. Okay, so you can take a look at it. I'm done filling in my details. In case if it says your username matches someone else, you can change it around, add some numbers to it. You can try an underscore, that's if it's allowed to it, maybe like underscore Mike James, something like that, if it's allowed. If not, you can just put in some numbers. So it says this, hold on to your bot. Okay, so this is it. We are logged into our codepen account. Okay, so if you look up, you see HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So depending what you're writing, if it's an HTML or CSS, and the thing that when you're working on codepen, you don't need to put the HTML type there. All you need to do is just put in the code. Just put in the code when you're working on the HTML side. Maybe you want to work on a navigation bar. So you just put your nav, then your UL tag, then your LI tags. So you don't need any other, like the document type HTML. You don't need that, or the heading. All you need here is the body. So that's what you're going to type into the HTML, and you have to CSS here and JavaScript. So it's quite easy to open an account on codepen. And also, when you're let me give you a tip. When you're using codepen, you can also click these three lines on top. When you click it, it opens up. Then you see save. So I advise you to click it so that what you are doing will be saved on the cloud. See, auto saved enabled. So as you're working, all your things will be saved. If you look down, you can see delete, you can see add to collection. You can also fork, that is a GitHub term. Means you want to bring in another person's code or your code from GitHub, maybe into codepen. You can export and you can also share underneath. This is what's written underneath. And you can also view the results of what you are doing by clicking on result. So right here you can see results. If you click on it, you'll be able to see what you are working on. But because we're not working on anything, there's no result to display. Also, when you check your email, you notice you received an email from codepen. So let's click on that. You can say welcome to codepen. Thanks for signing up for codepen. You can now verify your email account. That's always so good to do. You have to do this so that your account is verified, and it shows, okay, I own the email account that I used to open the codepen. And you can see up there it says verified. Okay, it's gone. Well, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.